Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make questions required by default on your Google Forms so they cannot be skipped over to submit. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your form and select the settings tab at the top, and then going down underneath defaults, expand the section that says question defaults versus make questions required by default. Go ahead and toggle that on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.